Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. As you can see on screen right now, we have been given access to brand new clarity presets for use in the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild on Cemu Emulator. So I am going to show you exactly how you can use each and every one of these new presets, but first of all, let's take a look at the visual stylings of each and every one of them. Okay, so using these clarity presets is actually pretty simple. All you'll need to do is download the clarity graphics pack from either the description of this video or from the repository of graphics packs, and then drag and drop it into your graphics pack folder within Cemu. Once you have done this, open up the graphics pack itself and you then want to come to this text document. Simply double clicking on this document to open it with Notepad should give you this screen. As you can see, all of the different graphical options which I have previously showcased are listed here. In order to change between these different visual styles, all you need to do is change this number right here, and then once you've changed the number, come to File and Save. And that's it. That's exactly how you switch between these different clarity presets. Once you have done this, all you'll have to do is load Cemu, come to Options, Graphics Packs, scroll down until you can see the Clarity Graphics Pack, make sure to turn it on, and when you load the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, your selected clarity preset will be used. So there you go guys, 9 new clarity presets for you to use and enjoy in Breath of the Wild on Cemu Emulator. If I myself was to pick my favourite out of this new bunch, I would have to say that number 5, the SERFROST preset, is probably my favourite at the minute, though I am still quite partial to the realistic preset I have made myself that is also included. So once again guys, cheers for checking out the video, remember to like it if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and as always, subscribe to the channel if you want to see all future videos from me.